Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today there is something happening on the charts that is not really good for Bitcoin, and I'll show you why I'm saying that. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Now, without wasting any time, I'm just taking you to the hourly time frame chart, and here we can see that Bitcoin was forming higher lows and higher highs as well. But right now here, Bitcoin has formed this diamond top pattern. That is a bearish reversal pattern and considered to be a bearish bias pattern. Here we have the pump up to $42,232. And after this pump, the price line is dumped and we have broken down this pattern. Now the target to the downside after this dump can be, if I place this trend line here at the breakdown point, that will be approximately here at $40,750. But if the price line breaks out the resistance, then it can be $42,383. But there is another critical thing I want to show you on the daily time frame chart. And I've been telling you for I think 2 or 3 days that we have this hidden bearish divergence on the daily time frame chart. Even though we have broken out this resistance of a very big up channel, a down channel, but still the RSI is forming another higher than previous high, but the price line is failed to do so. So we need to break out the next resistance of $44,000, and that is really a very strong resistance. We can see that if we take a look at the previous recent history from April, even from December to up till so far, then we can see that here it worked as a support, the $44,000, and here recently it was breaking as a resistance. Right now it will again work as a resistance, because after that we even broke down the next support of $39,600 as well. And here in September 2021 it worked as a resistance. Before that it was breaking as a very strong support from August 2021 to September 2021, and before that it worked as a support here in Feb 2021, and before that it was breaking as a support here at the start of the Feb as well. So this time it can again work as a very strong resistance, and we need to break out this resistance as soon as possible in order to avoid any pullback and to retest the previous resistance of the channel. And I'm expecting that if there will be any pullback, then it can retest $39,600, because this price level has been working as a very strong resistance and support in the recent history. And if we will break out this $44,000 resistance level, then this bearish divergence will be removed, because the price line will be following the movement of the RSI, the oscillator, and it will set another higher than the previous high. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.